Hey there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be swatching and talking about the new Catrice Pastel Please nail polish collection. So they actually came out with like a little sub collection next to their Icon Nails regular like collection polishes that they have, and these are all pastelly. They are super shimmery, a little bit of like a finely milled glitter is in there, and they are just really cute for this upcoming spring season, or even to use for like Easter manicures or anything like that. So if you are curious to see more, definitely keep on watching. So this first one is called Think Pink. I'm not quite sure which one of these four is my favorite because all four are actually really nice. You can see right here the shimmer and glitter in here is just super gorgeous. It's like a silver and a gold speckle, which I love. I love combining the two like main metallic-y kind of colors. That is really pretty. These colors are a little bit on the lighter side, so I will do my best to show them or show you what they look like with two coats and on my shorter nail as well. As I've mentioned, this is also a pre-recorded video from like a couple of weeks ago, so my thumbnail that was just recently shortened right here because I broke a corner off was still quite short. It is already a lot longer, so if you're a little confused like, okay, why is your nail longer in like the next video, like way longer, that is why. Sometimes I just record a ton of videos like on the same day, which works out really well for me since I have a 9-week-old baby boy, which is actually on my lap right now while doing this voiceover. So yeah, that is why if you're like, your nail size or like length and shape is different, like switching between videos, that is why. But yeah, the first color, as I mentioned, it was pretty opaque within the second coat, but I do have to mention that now I have shorter nails, it can be a little bit easier to get them more opaque because the like free edge and the smile line isn't as like noticeable as it is with my usual super long nails. But yeah, that's just something to keep in mind as well. If you do have shorter nails, it might be a little bit easier to get them opaque faster. But this second color, which I'm swatching already, is called Cloud 9. With a name like that, you would think of like a sky blue kind of color or maybe even a white, but this one seems to me to be more of like a periwinkle purple, which is like a mixture between a purple and a blue. It has the same really gorgeous shimmer and finely milled glitter in there, which I love, and it is pretty much opaque within two coats, which I also love. This one is of course a little bit more like dark in color or shade, so it is a little bit easier to get it opaque within two coats without really slapping on a really thick coat. But yeah, I really like this color. I think it's super wearable all year round. It's really cutesy, and also the glitters or shimmers in these polishes are really easy to get off of your nails if you want to switch up your manicure again, because sometimes with glittery polishes you really have to scrub them or soak the nail polish off, and that was not the case for these polishes, or at least I didn't have any issues with them removing them off of my nails like when I wanted to switch out my nail polish color. The third color of this collection is called Sunny Honey, also once again with that same beautiful finely milled glitter and shimmer in there. I really love this pastel-y yellow kind of tone. It just really reminds me of like little chicks and little ducks and just Easter all over. So this is definitely a super Easter appropriate color in my opinion. It is once again a bit on the lighter side, so the first coat is still pretty sheer in my opinion. The second layer will make it a whole lot better. I really wasn't like unimpressed by it. Oh, and by the way, my little boy is actually waking up at the moment, so if you hear any little baby noises, he's pretty close to the microphone as well. But back to the nail polish, because I really was excited to see how opaque this one was within two coats. I think it's pretty nice to see lighter shades with a shimmer even to be this opaque within 2 coats. But then again, I really don't know what this one will look like on my regular like nail length, because I haven't tried it out on any of my other nails, which are still pretty long. So if you have tried these out for yourself on longer nails than I have on my thumb at the moment, let me know your thoughts about it. Then the fourth and final color is called Mint Breeze. It definitely is a minty green polish. It's quite lovely. Once again, very wearable, like all year round. I would even wear this for like a wintry kind of design with like white snowflakes stamped on it or something like that. I don't know. My mind always goes a lot of different directions while watching different colors or even swatching them and just working with them. I always feel quite inspired when using new colors as well. So yeah, I always have a ton of different ideas to do, like nail art wise or anything like that when swatching. Let me know if you are like that as well. What kind of nail art ideas do you get in mind while watching the colors from this collection? I'm really curious to hear about that. But once again, the second coat, this one is like 90% opaque. I'd say it's still a little bit patchy, but a third coat will definitely make it completely opaque. But then again, it is a lighter shade, so don't judge it too harshly. But yeah, this was my entire new swatch and review video. Catrice Cosmetics is vegan, they are cruelty free, they are safe to use, they are microplastics free and stuff like that. And these polishes were, I think, $2.95 or $3.95. They were still quite affordable. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.